IKEA's new arrivals bring together fresh colors, thoughtful design, and practical solutions for everyday living. From soft spring-inspired tableware to modular seating, smart storage, and cozy lighting, these new products are designed to refresh your home with style and functionality. Here's a closer look at the latest IKEA pieces worth discovering. 1. Smurfisk mug, light green pink. This pastel-toned mug brings a fresh, spring-like feel to everyday breakfasts and coffee breaks. Made of durable feldspar porcelain, it's impact-resistant and designed for daily use. Its softly rounded shape feels comfortable in the hand and pairs beautifully with other Smurfisk tableware for a coordinated look. 2. Smurfisk tablecloth, flower pattern green-white. This cotton tablecloth instantly refreshes your dining table with a lively floral pattern inspired by spring. It protects the table surface while enhancing your table setting, comfortably fitting tables for 4 to 6 people. Yarn-dyed cotton ensures the colors stay vibrant wash after wash. 3. Smearfisk bread basket, rattan handwoven from natural rattan. This flower-shaped bread basket adds warmth and texture to both everyday and festive tables. Each piece is handmade, giving it unique character that develops over time. A water-based lacquer protects the material while keeping it safe and environmentally friendly. 4. Orphanhaj chopsticks, 8 pairs, multicolor. These playful chopsticks make meals more fun while staying practical. The square shape and non-slip surface prevent rolling and improve grip, especially for beginners. Smaller sizes are ideal for children learning to eat independently, and the different colors make it easy to tell pairs apart. 5. JÄTTEBO, 2.5-seat modular sofa with chaise and headrest, off-white. This modular sofa combines clean lines with deep supportive comfort for lounging, socializing, or napping. High resilience foam and pocket springs adapt to your body, while generous hidden storage keeps essentials out of sight. The washable boucle cover adds warmth and texture, and modules can be rearranged as your needs evolve. 6. Rodmanzo cabinet, brown walnut effect. Inspired by mid-century design, this cabinet balances open and closed storage with a warm walnut look. Brass-style knobs, deep blue interiors, and black metal legs create a refined, airy feel. Adjustable shelves, sliding doors, and cable management make it as functional as it is decorative. 7. Rodmanso TV unit, brown walnut effect. This TV unit offers generous, flexible storage wrapped in a classic mid-century aesthetic. Sliding doors help reduce visual clutter, while adjustable shelves adapt to your setup. Thoughtful cable management keeps cords organized, and the sturdy top also works well for lamps or decorative displays. 8. SOLSKYDD portable Bluetooth speaker, orange bold in color and sound. This portable speaker delivers clear, powerful audio wherever you place it. Bluetooth connectivity and Spotify tap make listening effortless, while multi-speaker mode lets you expand the sound. With a rechargeable battery and included stand or wall mount, it adapts easily to your space. 9. Skakos LED tealight kit with charging tray. This LED tealight set creates a cozy, flickering atmosphere without the risks of real flames. After a full charge, the lights last up to 35 hours and are safe for homes with children or pets. The decorative charging tray makes storage and recharging simple and elegant. Ten. VISSLAÅN Hanging Organizer, set of 2. Gray designed to bring calm to cluttered cabinets. These hanging organizers are perfect for small grooming items. They attach easily to glass shelves, freeing up surface space below. The dark transparent plastic keeps contents visible while maintaining a clean, understated look that suits modern bathrooms. 11. VISSLAÅN Tray, Gray. This angled tray keeps makeup, brushes, and toiletries neatly sorted and easy to access. Different compartment depths create a clear overview, while the removable design allows you to carry everything at once. The transparent gray finish blends discreetly into cabinets while reducing visual clutter. 12. DYSTERMAL Throw, off-white, 51 by 67 inches. With its chunky weave and soft texture, this throw is made for cozy evenings on the sofa or bed. Crafted from 100% recycled polyester, it's warm yet lightweight and easy to care for. The neutral off-white tone and fringed edges suit both modern and relaxed interiors. 13. LISABO table and 2 chairs, ash veneer. This compact dining set showcases Scandinavian craftsmanship with clean lines and warm ash tones. Ideal for small spaces, it offers comfortable seating thanks to supportive backrests and generously sized seats. Solid wood legs and durable veneer ensure long-lasting quality that ages beautifully over time. 14. Backstern LED pendant lamp, dimmable, matte aluminum. This striking pendant lamp combines sculptural design with practical lighting. 3 rotatable shades let you direct light exactly where needed, while the dimmer allows you to adjust the mood. Energy-efficient LED technology ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal above dining or bar tables. 15. Jernveg rug, low pile, pink beige. Inspired by classic oriental patterns, this rug blends tradition with soft modern colors. Made from durable synthetic fibers, it resists stains, doesn't shed, and is easy to clean. Suitable for high traffic areas and underfloor heating, it's both practical and visually versatile. 16. IVAR shelving unit with box shelves, pine a flexible storage solution built from solid pine. This IVAR unit adapts to changing needs. Box shelves with removable dividers offer versatile organization, while the wheeled storage box adds mobility. The natural wood can be painted or stained, allowing you to personalize it over time. 17. Trubruff's ceiling lamp. Sedge hand-braided sedge gives this ceiling lamp a natural textured character with subtle variations. The snug ceiling fit provides effective general lighting while softly spreading light across the room. It creates an airy, calm atmosphere without taking up visual space, ideal for smaller rooms. 18. Dagcaprifol mirror, dark yellow. This decorative mirror adds depth and personality with its flounced edge and cheerful yellow frame. Both functional and expressive, it brightens empty walls and pairs seamlessly with the matching picture ledge. It can be hung vertically or horizontally and includes safety film for added peace of mind. 19. Practicality picture ledge, light pink. Designed to showcase what you love, this picture ledge makes it easy to display and swap artwork, photos, or keepsakes. Its soft pink color and traditional design add a romantic touch to any wall. Combine multiple ledges to create a personalized gallery arrangement. 20. Younglaka cushion cover, yellow-white. This reversible cushion cover lets you change your decor in seconds. One side features elegant foliage, while the other offers classic stripes for a cleaner look. A hidden zipper makes it easy to remove and wash, making it a practical way to refresh your sofa or bed. These new IKEA products show how small details in well-designed furniture can make a big difference at home. Whether you're updating your dining table, organizing your space, or adding warmth with textiles and lighting, this new collection offers versatile, durable, and stylish options.